The TAG Heuer connected Calibre E5 Formula 1 Edition 45 is a luxury smartwatch designed for a very specific audience, people who value premium craftsmanship as much as modern technology. This watch blends the heritage of TAG Heuer with smart features, creating a device that feels more like a high-end Swiss timepiece than a typical smartwatch. With its 45 black DLC-coated titanium case, ceramic bezel, and sapphire crystal display, the build quality is exceptional. It looks bold, sporty, and expensive, and it is noticeably lightweight despite its solid construction. The red accents and motorsport-inspired design give it a strong Formula 1 identity, making it stand out from other smartwatches on the market. One of the key highlights of this model is its deep integration with Formula 1. The watch includes exclusive race-themed watch faces, real-time race updates, and dedicated widgets that keep fans connected to the sport. This makes it especially appealing to motorsport enthusiasts, as it brings race day information directly to the wrist. However, for users who are not fans of Formula 1, these features may feel more like a design theme rather than a functional advantage. In terms of performance, the watch delivers a smooth and responsive experience thanks to its modern chipset and optimized software. The OLED display is sharp and vibrant, with excellent brightness and clarity, and the sapphire glass adds durability that is rarely seen in most smartwatches. It supports essential features such as heart rate monitoring, GPS tracking, and multiple sports modes, making it suitable for general fitness tracking. The watch is compatible with both Android and iOS devices, which adds flexibility for users across different ecosystems. However, when it comes to software, the experience is more limited compared to mainstream smartwatches. Unlike devices running full ecosystems like Wear OS or Apple's platform, the TAG Heuer connected Calibre E5 focuses more on curated features rather than offering a wide range of third-party apps. This means you won't get the same level of app support, mobile payments, or deep integration that you would find in more tech-focused devices. The battery life is decent, offering around a full day of active use and extending up to a few days in power-saving modes, but it still requires regular charging. Overall, the TAG Heuer connected Calibre E5 Formula 1 Edition is not trying to compete with feature-packed smartwatches. Instead, it positions itself as a luxury accessory with smart capabilities. It is best suited for those who appreciate premium design, brand prestige, and motorsport aesthetics. If you are looking for cutting-edge features and maximum functionality, this may not be the right choice. But if you want a stylish, high-end smartwatch that reflects personality and passion, especially for Formula 1, this watch delivers a unique and refined experience.